In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the password from the App Store on your iPhone. So if it's asking you for your password every time you try to install a new app, I'm going to show you how to remove this and how to download apps without requiring the password. So first thing you need to do is go and load up the settings on your phone. You can then scroll down and click on Screen Time. Now scroll down to Content and Privacy Restrictions and click on this, and make sure the content and privacy restrictions are turned off. You can then come back over to the main settings page and click on your profile name at the top of this screen. Now click on Media and Purchases and click on Password Settings. Now you may need to enter your Apple password in order to gain access to these settings. Where it says free downloads at the bottom, go and toggle off Require Password. You can then click on the tick icon in the top right hand side. Now head back over to the main settings page, and then you'll need to scroll down and click on Face ID and Passcode. Now where it says use Face ID for, make sure iTunes and the App Store is turned off like this. Once you've done this, you can head over to the App Store and you should now be able to download apps without the password. Just bear in mind that this will only work with free apps, as the paid apps will still require a password in order to download.